Hello everyone, and welcome to our part 2 on If Optimus and ratchet Team rodimus. So, without further ado, let's get on the other story. Well, our story begins with actor Hotwat, aka rodimus, and Jack became a new leader and commander to all that. Although that, though, they need a plan to get back on Optimus, aka Occult, Iron Packs, after Titan 1, Elegant on Titan 2 on Transformers Time. The Titan 2 on Transformers Time linked to the Atato 1 on Titan 2 on Transformers Time, unlike in canon, all of that, but in it starlight all of that. Iron Packs never met Tatooine because he is dead after all of that, and erected neither betrayed the Decepticons, all of that, though and though. In this starlight goes all the time to a on the Atatos on the Titan 2 on Transformers Time, unlike in canon, all of that, and we get all the Atatos ticks, and then Occult, where Occult did ring Occult, go to the team to a all of that, and Occult made this time goes all the team to a, like in canon, on the Atatos, but on Atatot, neither the trade on the Decepticons, on erected, all of that though, and go to the team to a other Atatos, all of that though. And though ratchet cannons at the tat to the other war of the ship to all that had cunning to planet Earth, all of that though. And though Team Time and Team rodimus get it out of date, all of that. And though they look at the Kai and T on the world date ship on the all that had arrived on the planet Earth. And that is going now lead to now everybody takes all the writing of it, are you guys in the part died, aka the line on what it Optimus and ratchet Team rodimus.